3.
Mrs. Spruill here. Today you're going to make tissue flowers. You will need 5 pieces of tissue, 1 chenille stem in green, and a pair of scissors. You will take your papers and line them up so that they're nice and even on one side. You'll flip it and fold. Flip it and fold. Flip and fold. Flip and fold. That's all it is flipping and folding. Flip and fold. Try to keep your folds the same width each time. That'll help in making the flowers unique and all one size. If you don't, that's no problem either. Last flip and fold. Now it should fan out like that if you've done it correctly. Okay? Take your chenille stem over the top and fold it down like that. Twist the chenille stem so it goes around. Then you'll take your scissors and you'll decide, do you want to round the tip or do you want to point it? I think I'm going to round it. I always like rounded ones better. And the other side as well. Now, one other step that we've never done before, if you want leaves on your flower, bend it. Twist it. There's one. So you want another one? Twist it. To the other side. There's your leaves. Now, you're going to come in here and spread these out. And spread this out. Now, one layer at a time. You'll fold. If it rips like that, don't worry. You're not going to see it. And pull it up. Go all the way around. Each side. Sometimes it's a little difficult to get one layer at a time. And if you spread them out as you pull it up, that'll help keep from ripping your tissues. See? It's one layer all the way up. Now go for your second color. Take it all the way up. All the way. All the way. Yep, I got 2 layers. All the way up. Now you're ready for your third layer. You've got 5 layers, so it's going to take a little bit of going. You don't pull hard, you just tug it a little. All the way around. Fourth layer. Fourth layer. And you Keep going. Then you've got your 5th layer that's just hanging down. Just swoop it up. And there you have your flower. Leaves and a flower top. Didn't take all that much. And if by some chance, after you've got your flower made, as somebody will do, they'll come along and smash it, don't worry about it. All you have to do is just fluff it back up, and your flower is as beautiful as it ever was. Now get ready to have some fun and make your own flowers.